Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and this is the bigger sibling of the Galaxy A6. Obviously, it's the Galaxy A6 Plus. So this sits under the Galaxy A8, and in some regions it might launch as the Galaxy J8 Plus. I'm not really sure about that. But anyway, let's get into the design. This is how it looks. This is the not traditional, but the recent 18.5:9 ratio Samsung design with Full HD Plus resolution. Over that is 24 megapixels of front-facing camera. That's very high in resolution. Receiver and the LED flash, so you can take your selfie even in the lower lighting condition. No keys are on the bottom as they're built in as a soft key, and the display itself looks pretty nice. On the right hand side, you might see a bit of resemblance to the Galaxy J series, namely the speaker. The speaker right there and the power key, the layout overall looks very similar. So the speaker, power key, and the mic USB port on the bottom. Unfortunately, it didn't incorporate the USB Type-C standard, which is pretty common these days, even with the lower priced phones, along with microphone and 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very nice to have. On the left hand side, you get to have the volume rocker, nano SIM card tray, and the micro SD card expansion, along with another nano SIM card tray if you got the dual SIM model, which means that you don't have to choose between micro SD card expansion or the secondary SIM card. Moving on to the rear, we have 16 megapixel camera along with 5 megapixels of additional camera. That's for depth recognition, so you can have the live focus or the bokeh effect or portrait mode as some other manufacturers call them. The fingerprint reader resides on the bottom and the LED flash is right there. And again, the J series hints are right there along with the antenna lines that we've seen from the previous Galaxy J series and Samsung logo, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, this is finished in metal, so no wireless charging. The system looks like this: Samsung Experience 9.0 over Android 8.0 Oreo. There's nothing special about it, no new features. You can hide the soft key navigation bar, you can lock them back again, and the specs are not spectacular either. It's got Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, 3GB of RAM with 32GB of storage, or 4GB of RAM with 64GB of built-in storage. But something more interesting is the camera. As I said, it's got the live focus, so you can enable that simply by touching that, and it's going to affect the live focus, bokeh, or portrait mode to whatever object that you're holding. So this used to be sort of a premium feature that was first introduced in the Galaxy Note 8 and followed by the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now you have it with the Galaxy A6 Plus as well. It's also got 3500 mAh of battery, and based on its specs, I suspect it's going to last very long time. And also it's got the always-on display and some neat little features like Bixby Vision and Reminder, although there is no Bixby voice built in. But instead you do get Dolby Atmos sound effect, although it only works with the headphones. For all that, the price that you have to pay is 369 euros, which is around $450 US. But as you know, Eurozones tend to have higher prices on everything. In other regions, this is almost definitely going to be cheaper than that. So that was the Galaxy A6 Plus or J8 Plus in some regions. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.